My name is Steve Quinn. Currently, I'm a patrolman with the Tewksbury Police Department assigned to the K-9 unit. I've been with the department since December of 2014. So what drew me to the profession is really spent my whole adult life in public service. I was an EMT, joined the Marines, spent 4 years with them, and with all the training experience I had through all of those things, it kind of just led me to this direction here, and the timing worked out. My K-9 is Logan. He's a German Shepherd. We went to the Boston Police K-9 Academy, where we learned just the basics of being a K-9 patrol team. Upon completion of that training and our patrol certification, we moved on to the Narcotics Detection Academy. And then once you complete that successfully, you're on the road as a certified K-9 team. K-9 is easily the best position I think any department would have to offer. Your partner is your best friend. It's a huge commitment, and it's not what you think it is, but it is very rewarding. It's a lot of go, go, go. We're on call 24/7. People love him. I am very, very fortunate where has the ability to be social without being a hazard. I do limit it because of what he does, so I don't take that for granted. But if there's a child that wants to meet the dog, I have no reservations about being able to make that happen for them.